Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Dhru Fusion script from source code, step by step. If you follow this tutorial carefully, you'll be able to complete the installation from start to finish. First, upload the source code to your hosting account. Log into your cPanel or hosting control panel. Open File Manager, go to your website's root directory, and upload the source code zip file. After the upload is complete, extract the zip file and make sure all files have been extracted successfully. Next, we'll import the MySQL database. Open MySQL databases and create a new database. Create a database user. Assign the user to the database with all privileges, and then open phpMyAdmin. Select the database, click Import, choose the SQL file included with the script, and start the import process. Wait until the database has been imported successfully. Now it's time to configure the application. Open the configuration file included with the script and update your database host, database name, database username, and database password. Save the file after entering the correct information. The next step is configuring the server environment. Make sure your server meets the software requirements. Enable the required PHP extensions if needed. Set the correct file permissions for writable folders, and configure any required cron jobs according to the official installation instructions. After everything is configured, clear the application cache if required. Now open your web browser and visit the admin panel URL. Log in using your administrator account. If all settings have been configured correctly, the admin dashboard will open successfully, and your installation is complete. Congratulations! Your Dhru Fusion installation is now finished and ready for configuration. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tuto.